spicy revelation, my 30-day clove experiment. Let's be honest, we've all fallen for those clickbait headlines. Eat this one weird food for a month and you'll never believe what happens. Well, this isn't one of those, or is it? I decided to put it to the test myself. For 30 days I embarked on a mission, 2 cloves a day, every day. It seemed simple enough, but I was curious about the potential outcomes. No, I wasn't trying to ward off vampires, though my breath could probably melt steel now. The real goal was to see if these tiny spices could make a big difference. I wanted to see if the purported health benefits of cloves were fact or fiction. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, the claims were numerous. And let me tell you, the results were surprising to say the least. I noticed changes in my energy levels, digestion, and even my skin. Now, I'm a doctor, not a magician, so I wasn't expecting miracles. But I couldn't ignore the subtle improvements I was experiencing. The subtle yet significant changes I experienced piqued my scientific curiosity. Could there be more to cloves than meets the eye? Could this humble spice, often relegated to holiday baking, hold the key to better health? The more I researched, the more intrigued I became. I was determined to find out. I started documenting my journey, noting every change, every reaction, and every benefit. Join me as I delve into the world of cloves, exploring their potential benefits and sharing my personal journey of spice-infused discovery. From ancient remedies to modern science, the story of cloves is fascinating. Get ready for a wild ride, folks, because things are about to get interesting. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, this journey promises to be enlightening and maybe even a little spicy. Nutritional powerhouse, unlocking the goodness of cloves. Don't let their small size fool you. Cloves are packed with nutrients. These little powerhouses are a good source of fiber, manganese, and vitamin K, all of which play important roles in maintaining our overall health. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Manganese is a trace mineral that's crucial for bone health, wound healing, and metabolism, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. But wait, there's more. Cloves are also a good source of antioxidants, including eugenol, which we've already established is a bit of a superstar. These antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. So by incorporating cloves into our diet, we're not just adding flavor, we're also giving our bodies a nutritional boost. 30 days later, the shocking truth about cloves. After a month of faithfully consuming my 2 cloves a day, I have to admit I was surprised. I embarked on this journey with a mix of skepticism and curiosity, not expecting much beyond a slight change in flavor to my daily routine. Now, I didn't suddenly develop superhuman strength or the ability to speak fluent Mandarin, though that would be impressive. But what I did notice was a gradual yet significant improvement in my overall well-being. The changes were subtle, yet undeniable. I felt a newfound sense of vitality that seemed to permeate every aspect of my daily life. My energy levels felt more consistent throughout the day, and I found myself bouncing back from workouts more quickly. It was as if my body had found a new rhythm, one that was more in tune with my needs. But the most noticeable difference? My digestion. I had always struggled with occasional discomfort and irregularity, but this seemed to change. Let's just say things were moving along much more smoothly, if you catch my drift. It was a relief to experience such a positive change without having to resort to drastic measures. Could this be attributed solely to the cloves? It's a question that lingered in my mind as I continued my daily routine. While I can't definitively say for sure, the timing was certainly suspect. I delved into research, reading up on the potential benefits of cloves and their historical uses in traditional medicine. It's important to note that I didn't make any other significant changes to my diet or exercise routine during this time. My lifestyle remained consistent, which made the changes I experienced all the more intriguing. So, while more research is needed to confirm these anecdotal observations, my personal experience has left me convinced that cloves deserve a place in everyone's pantry. They may be small, but their impact on my health and well-being has been anything but. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply add a flavorful twist to your meals, Cloves might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing.
Cloves, your new secret weapon for health. So, there you have it. My 30-day clove experiment has come to an end, and I'm left feeling rather, dare I say, invigorated. Over the past month, I've incorporated cloves into my daily routine in various forms, whether it was adding them to my morning tea, sprinkling them over my meals, or even using clove oil for its aromatic benefits. While I'm not suggesting that cloves are a miracle cure-all, the evidence suggests that these tiny buds pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is beginning to catch up, revealing their potential in supporting various aspects of health. From their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to their rich nutritional profile, cloves are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These components work together to promote a healthy body and mind. Cloves offer a natural and delicious way to support our overall well-being. They can help in reducing inflammation, fighting oxidative stress, and even improving digestion. Of course, it's important to remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Individual responses to dietary changes can vary widely, and it's crucial to listen to your body. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice and ensure that adding cloves to your diet is safe and beneficial for you. But if you're looking for a simple and natural way to boost your health, adding a dash of cloves to your life might just be the answer you've been searching for. Whether you use them in cooking, as a tea, or even as an essential oil, cloves can be a versatile and valuable addition to your health regimen. So why not give it a try and see how these little wonders can make a big difference in your life? Take the Clove Challenge. Join the movement. Intrigued? I thought you might be. Now it's your turn to experience the power of cloves. I challenge you to embark on your own 30-day clove adventure. 2 cloves a day every day. Add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or brew a soothing cup of clove tea. Get creative and find what works best for you, and don't forget to share your experience. Let me know how you're incorporating cloves into your diet and what, if any, changes you notice. Together, let's unlock the secrets of this ancient spice and spread the word about its potential health benefits. Who knows? We might just start a clove revolution.